Hello, good day. Thank you for calling CCED. This is Kaysa Lahera. How may I help you?
I would like to make a table reservation, please.
Certainly, whom am I speaking to?
Alessandra Sandoval.
May you spell out your name? Alpha Lima Echo Sierra Alpha November Delta Romeo Alpha. Did I get your name correct, ma'am?
Yes po.
May I know your contact details?
0906-353-8895.
Thank you, ma'am. Miss Sandoval, should I make your reservation under your name?
Yes, please.
When do you want your reservation, ma'am?
Today.
For how many people, ma'am?
4-2.
What time do you want your reservation is?
6 p.m.
For smoking or non-smoking area?
Non-smoking area, please.
May you repeat your table reservation?
Yes, please.
You have your table reservation at 6 p.m. today, May 30, 2024, for 2 persons only in the non-smoking area under your name, Ms. Sandoval, with a contact number of 0906-353-8895. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
Is there anything would you like to request, ma'am?
None.
Ms. Sandoval, thank you for patronizing CCED. We are looking forward to welcoming you.
Thanks.